Chapter 4: Deciding the Assessor. First is about the assessment team. The assessment team is headed by a registered assessor and assisted by one or more of the following if appropriate. First, the company safety and health officer or safety engineer. Second, the company's doctor, a registered occupational health doctor. Third, the company's process or chemical engineer or chemist. Fourth, an experienced and knowledgeable member of the Safety and Health Committee. Fifth, an industrial or occupational health nurse. The second part is about competency of an assessor. The would-be assessor should have the abilities to A. Interpret the information in the Chemical Safety Data Sheet, CSDS, and labels. B. To understand the hazard classification as prescribed by the Occupational Safety and Health classification, packaging, and labeling of hazardous chemicals based on Regulation 1997. C. Observe the condition of work and foresee potential problems. D. Communicate effectively with employees, contract workers, managers, specialists, and others. E. Draw all the information together in a systematic way to form valid conclusions about exposure and risk. F. Report the finding accurately to all parties concerned. The third part is about duties of an assessor. A. To carry out assessment of health risks arising from the use of chemical hazards at the workplace. B. To furnish a report of the assessment to employer of a place of work within 1 month of assessment. C. To inform the respective employer of the immediate danger discovered without any delay. D. Make recommendation on the necessity to control exposure of employee and accidental emission of a chemical hazardous to health. Carry out a health surveillance program. Conduct exposure monitoring and institute a training program for employees. E. To present his finding and recommendation to the employer upon completion of the assessment report. F. To submit within 30 days upon completion of the assessment a summary to the Director of the nearest DOSH office and forward a copy to the Director General. The last part is about specialist advice. For certain cases, assistance of a specialist may be required. The common specialists who may be consulted upon may include, but it is not limited to the following. A. An industrial hygienist, which is an expert on the exposure evaluation and control. B. An occupational health physician, which is expertise on health surveillance program. C. A hygiene technician, and expertise on the inspection and testing of local exhaust ventilation system and the monitoring of airborne contaminant. D. A toxicologist, which is an expert on chemical toxicology.